me, Kayla Patrice. If you don't know, well, now you know. And if you're returning, then hey, thanks for coming back. So don't mind the noise. That's Ava in the background. I try to like film while she's taking a nap. I don't get everything done, so I'll probably like have to like film my intro and my outro when she's up. So if y'all hear noise in my future videos, it's just her. But I took a step back from the cut creases and decided that I wanted to do some glam. So if y'all want to know how I got this super simple glam, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I made sure my mic was on today, okay? So I'm starting off with my P.Louise Beige Shade 5 and my MAC 252 brush, and I'm gonna just pat that all over the lid. So I'm gonna just go in with this Crown C441 brush just to blend out the edges. Y'all, I'm watching Ozark. Like, I've been watching Ozark. It's so good. That's what I'm watching right now. But it's really, really good. Like, who watches that show? Because it's so good. I keep falling asleep, so I keep having to replay the episodes, but it's really, really good. So now going in with the Morphe M441 brush and Latte Shadow by P.Louise. And I'm going to blend this into the crease. So I'm using a bigger brush because I want it to be more blown out as opposed to like a smaller brush, what I usually do. But I want it to be a little bit softer this time. So I'm still using really light pressure because I do not want to move that base around. So still using light pressure, just using a bigger brush. Okay, so this is okay for right now, so I'm gonna leave it as is. Then going in with the P.Louise Secret Center palette, taking Rendezvous, Amour, and S&M, which are these three pinks here. So I'm just gonna mix them all together on my brush. And I'm going to blend that half on the latte and then half on the base, and again using really, really light pressure. Right, and then I'm just gonna pull it out a little bit on the edge. So I'm going circular motions and then here pull it out. I'm not gonna wing it out a lot, but I'm still keeping that round shape, just at the top of the shape, pulling it out, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe M514 and that P.Louise Latte eyeshadow again. So this brush is a little bit smaller than the M441 brush. So now I'm going to switch between these two brushes and then the Morphe M573 brush with Rendezvous, S&M, and Amour. Right, and I'm just building up the color. Alright, now going back in with the Morphe M573 brush and Amour, Rendezvous, and S&M. And I'm going to blur the edges of Latte out. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Crown C441 blending brush and kind of clean the edge up a little bit. I don't want it to be too harsh, so I'm just gonna blur it out. So for the glitter, I'm gonna use FlutteredByRo Bare Skin Chunky Glitter with my Anastasia glitter adhesive. I'm just gonna paint it right on the lid. Then taking my Acid Rain flat brush, and I'm gonna kind of blend it up because I don't want it in a straight line anyway. And then I'm gonna dip into my glitter. I'm gonna attempt to keep the chunkier pieces on the lid. Right, then I'm just gonna apply some of that glitter adhesive on the back of my hand. That way I can kind of disperse the glitter at the top a little bit more. So I figured, you know, we would just go ahead and stick with the whole P.Louise theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, apply the P.Louise Dare lashes, do my complexion, and then I'll be back to finish off the rest of the look with y'all. Alright y'all, so I finished my complexion and applied the P.Louise Dare lashes. They're not as big as I usually go. I usually go like huge, but they're cute and natural. This is natural for me. So for my highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and use Becca's Opal highlighter. This highlighter will have you shining, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use that with my e.l.f. Fluffy Eye blending brush, and I just focus the highlighter here. Alright you guys, and then for blush, I'm going to go ahead and use my Juvia's Place, the Saharan 2 blush palette, and going in with Yara Sola Tau and B. I use the same colors from this palette all the time. I just mix these four. And listen y'all, for the skin, if y'all don't like heavy skin, then you can adjust the foundation to however y'all like y'all's foundation. But if I'm gonna do makeup, I'm gonna do makeup, and that's just what it is. So just so I can have something under the lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe Phenom bronzer. Alright you guys, so for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use Peaches and Cream Punchline Lip Liner with Morphe The Talk and First Base lipstick, which has been this combo has been like my favorite lip combo for like a while now. And then I'm just gonna top it off with NYX's Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie. Hi. Why are you on two? I can see two people, two of you. Well, where's Miss Shawn? I just see two of you. Nothing. You're echoing. Because you have the two phones, yeah. A little bit. I'll call you back. Bye. Oh my god, y'all, my dad is so funny. So I put on I put on first base. Now I'm gonna put on the talk, and then I'm gonna top it off with the NYX gloss. And then I'm just gonna apply some mascara to the bottom lashes. Doesn't matter which one, just apply some. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna take my Becca Opal highlighter and pop this in my inner corner. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. So if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm having so much fun doing these videos. Like, I could get used to this. But like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.